guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, welcome in and welcome to the gang. Please don't make it your last. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to do that and turn on post notifications to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So basically it's my first day at my new job. It's currently past 6 a.m. Today is actually my first day at my new job, so I'm preparing to get ready. After that, once I get ready, I will head out. So I brushed my teeth now. I'm going to look for what I'll eat for breakfast, then start preparing. So yeah, see you guys later. Toodles. Guys, so I'm done getting ready. I'm kind of late, so I'm going to quickly rush out. I just popped in to make this video, so I'm just going to get my things. Yeah, don't wait. But the one that's going out tomorrow. Wait a calendar. I'm not calendar. I'm only accountable for it. So I'm heading to work. Today's Monday, so you guys already know. So I'm quickly heading to work. I'm going to show you guys my food fits before I leave. So that's it, guys. It's currently 7:41. I have to be out so that I can get to my place of work, to the office before at 9 on the dot. Yeah, bye.
Maybe says how to. Yeah, now, so I'm saying that for how to, for this kind of story. So you need an how to that uses realistic elements. For example, when you enter the website, don't be afraid. Answer the question like this.
Okay, thank you.
And submit. So that. Come. Come.
Me?
I just got back from work, so I'm trying to get ready. And hold on. I'm back from work, so I'm trying to have a shower and go and have dinner. I also need to listen to music. I need to listen to music. It was public holiday on Monday and Tuesday, so I didn't go to work. So going to work today out of W's, and then I now had quite a couple of things to do today. So today was busy. I haven't left the office late, personally, because I had things I needed to finish. And while I was trying to film this evening, this is my adapter to my LED. It just blew, just like that. That's the crazy thing. Now I have to think about getting a new one, which is so fucking crazy. Yo, I just finished having my bath. I just want to show you guys what's in my goodie bag. What's in the bag I got at the office. Curry powder. Junior curry, herbs and spices. Thyme. My bread is going to smell like spices. Tomato mix. And seasoning cubes. You guys, oh shit, then bummer, big size. My nails are over 3 weeks old and just one fell out today on the way to work. But this is 3 weeks worth of nails. It looks crusty, but yeah. It's Saturday and I want to go get my hair done. I took out my braids last night, washed my hair out before I went to bed, so I'm going to get my hair done this morning. I'm actually really tired. I slept late, so I have to quickly get my hair done. I can't do it tomorrow because tomorrow is Sunday and I don't have any other day in the week to do it because like the rest of the week I'll be working. So yeah, just quickly popped in here to give you guys an update. I took out my nails myself. I had to cut them off myself, so I'm going to fix that today too. And yeah, that's it. See you guys at the salon. Actually got my hair done yesterday and I forgot to like come on here and show you guys my hair, but this is my hair. It's just simple black braids because nothing much, and I just had my lashes done too. Very simple set. My nails, red nail girly, till death do us part. But yeah, that's it. So tomorrow is I'm going to work tomorrow per usual, and I've not really been vlogging that much because like when I get to work I just get carried away and I forget to like vlog and all of this stuff. But yeah, that's basically an update. I'll just try to vlog often this week and also try and upload a video this month and see how that turns out. Yeah, but that's it guys. I just popped in here to check on y'all and see how y'all are doing. So that's it. Bye. You guys
she like the way I move like a jagaban. Straight up down la baba. Kiss on your lip and the kiss on your love ya too. But you got lips on me. I know I'm a good for talk to stay. I know me.
So yeah, a good time. A good time. A good time. A good time. Thank you, everybody.
You guys, I tried making a rough edit of my videos last night and I realized like I haven't been vlogging, like literally everything I tried, there was really nothing to edit. So this is me consciously making an attempt to vlog this morning before I go to work. So I'm obviously getting ready to go to work, and today is Friday, the last day of the week. So we'll just push through and continue next week. But it is guys, but this song gets down. I took this thing home. Oh, okay. Just realized that I go back.
The girl was looking at
We are done for the day. But if you come here, I say he go chop the shawarma,
If I kick your head, you dey carry and come outside.
Thank you. I got home at 7:40 something. It's rained cats and dogs today, and it's so crazy because I'm really tired. My head is banging. I have gotten back. I want to quickly fix something for me to eat, and then I'll just come and take a nap. I'm just thankful that I don't have to go to the office tomorrow because getting home this late, my head is banging so bad. I just want to sleep, but I'm so hungry, so I'll just fix something quickly to eat. And I got some things to cook beans because, like, I don't know, I was just seeing the urge to eat beans, so I got some things to cook beans. I don't even know if I have to make it this night because I have deliveries to do tomorrow, so I'll make it this night, eat it, and go to bed. And then that's it. See you guys later. Bye. Good night. Not good night, but I may come back, but like I just came on here for to know to know what's up. Hey guys, I just got to work. I'm on time today. Hold on. Good morning. Good morning. Oh yeah, how are you feeling?
She not said eh.
Then you have.
How are you?
So why was that complaining in the midnight that you did not understand?
Granted, I don't suppose to laugh.
I don't know where that thing come from, but I don't know. I was like,
What's happening
layout,
here?
how? Layout is like basic things design. If you don't know layout, you can't do social media design. I saw this one.
Today is the last day of April.
Was it the
It doesn't really make any difference. First day will still not be here.
because this is the
Our favorite.
How about your fave?
The prize is good. That was we don't die. You should have very good at president. Oh my God, that's
Mwah. No balls.